In this video, you will brainstorm ideas for your project. Then you'll formalize those ideas into a project charter that you can share with others. First, type in a title that reflects a specific aspect of the real or imagined project you are managing or would like to manage. Type a title that fits the specific purpose of your project. Then, format the text as title. Next, create a new page for brainstorming by inserting a page break at the end of your document. Title this page Brainstorming. This new page is where you list all possible ideas before you add them to your charter. Creating a new page within your document helps you stay organized as you plan for your project. Most projects fill a need or fix a problem. Under Brainstorm, type, "What problem is this project trying to solve?" and list some ideas. Also consider the results your project will achieve. Skip a few lines and type, "What is the project's purpose?" and list some answers. Once you have brainstormed some ideas about the problem your project is trying to solve and its purpose, finalize them on the project charter page. Scroll back the project charter page. Under the title, type Project Purpose. To keep your charter organized, format your section headers. Highlight the section title and select Heading 1. Based on the ideas you recorded on the brainstorming page, write a 2 or 3 sentence description of the project under the Project Purpose heading. You can copy and paste text from the brainstorming page into your project charter page to save time. Next, return to your brainstorming page to set project goals. Goals clarify the project's expected results. They also define what you are working toward and give your team a guide to follow as work progresses. When setting goals, be specific. Make goals measurable as you can track your progress toward meeting them. Make them achievable with a defined end result so you can reach them within the time frame for your project. On the brainstorming page, list and refine your project goals. Once you have set and refined 3 goals for your project, scroll back to your project charter page. Create a new section for goals. To help organize this information, format it using a numbered list. Type in your goals. Each time you press enter, a new number will appear in your list for the next goal. Nice work! Your project charter describes what your project is and what it will accomplish in an easy-to-read format so decision makers and team members can understand and support it. Now, it's your turn. Create a brainstorming list in your project charter and use it to think out your project management ideas. Define the purpose of your project and add it to your project charter. Set goals for your project and add them to your charter in a numbered list.